You know, it's popular to create landscapes that give us something back for all the effort we put into them. It could be flowers and fragrances, but there's nothing like food from the landscape to really keep you happy. Putting food on the table from your garden is a wonderful, wonderful accomplishment. Now, we can grow a wide variety of fruiting plants here in Louisiana. Peaches, plums, citrus like oranges in the southern part of the state. But one of our most popular and easy to take care of plants are blueberries. These are fruiting shrubs that don't require a lot of time or effort. They don't require a lot of spraying or pruning to stay productive. And they're also nice, neat plants. They're shrubby plants that fit in well with landscapes. You can plant them as a hedge. You can plant them as a privacy screen. They grow well in large containers. So they're very, very versatile. Now, a few things to keep in mind about blueberries. They love an acid soil. So have your soil tested. Make sure your pH is down around about 5.5 or 6 for blueberries to be really happy. And if not, you may want to add acidifiers to the soil when you're doing bed preparation. Lots of sun, like most of our fruiting plants. They love the sun, so a location that gets sun throughout the day is ideal. Good drainage is also important. If drainage is not really good in your area, plant these on raised rows. Actually lift it up somewhat off the ground level, maybe about 6 to 8 inches. And those raised rows will give these plants the kind of drainage that they need. Harvest is usually around about May into June. They're productive and they're wonderful. If you'd like more information on growing blueberries, either you have some or you're going to get some, then get online and do an internet search for home blueberry production LSU AgCenter, and that'll pull up all that great information you need to be successful with your blueberries. For Get It Growing, I'm Dan Gill with the LSU AgCenter.